It's the 10th day of the war and we're surprisingly alive. It's now 1 p.m. and this is Shifa Hospital, the shelter, as thousands of people are taking, more than 100,000 people are sleeping here in Shifa, in the corridors, in the buildings, in the parking, on the streets, in the garden, everywhere. And they're sleeping without any roof, without anything, without any blankets, without mattress, without anything. They're just collecting some pieces of cartons and sleeping on them. And one of these people is me. So last night it rained, and possibly the next night too. And we are terrified because we don't have anything to survive this. We're cold, we don't have food, we don't have water, we don't have bathrooms, we don't have hygiene kits, we don't have anything to deal with all these problems, combined problems. And the disastrous is, we don't know when is that ending. We don't know when should we or could we have a safe place, if we have homes to return to, if we will survive aslan. We don't know anything. We're just waiting.